Hello, I'm Richard Fordry, the founder of Boost Life Skills, and I'd like to talk to you about the impact to cost of training that we deliver. We absolutely know that cost is the most important factor in the delivery of training, other than the quality of the training and the subject matter being delivered. And we know and understand where schools and colleges are at currently with having very little budget to be able to deliver training. What I'd like to talk you through, though, is some of the factors that we take into account. Boost can deliver training into any size of class, year group, school, or college. And our training is completely flexible around your timetable, your lesson periods, and when you need training delivered. We can obviously deliver either online or in person, and the scalability of what we can deliver is immense, based on either delivering online into a number of classrooms or by bringing more trainers on site and implementing carousel type activities where the students go from one trainer to another and learn about various employability skills. So we know how important it is, but of course it all adds up. It becomes costly and there's only so much that you can afford. We get that. So online training is the most amazing value. I say this all the time. The scalability is absolutely phenomenal. The cost of training always depends on how many trainers we need in relation to how many students you have when we're on site. But for online, of course, it's incredibly cheap. It's so scalable. And as this graphic will show you, a trainer sat off site can deliver training online into 8 classrooms. The students do not each need to have a device. It can be transmitted onto the electronic board. The teachers play a participating role within the classroom with the crowd control and carrying out some of the exercises. And all of this is planned very, very carefully between Boost and probably the careers lead and the teachers in advance of the course so that the teachers feel comfortable. So what is it that impacts the costs? Well, there are a number of factors, whether we're on site or online. And clearly, if we're on site, it is that relationship between the number of students and the number of trainers. That's why online is so much better value for you. But there's also the amount of takeaway material that the students might require, whether it's a physical workbook or a copy being PDF'd to you and onto them of the workbook itself. So why move forward with Boost? Well, we've got a lot of experience in delivering training. We've also got a lot of background, a very diverse background across different industries and sectors, and we have a great understanding as to why employability skills are so important. We work to a very, very high specification. It's so professional and everything is put together very, very cleanly to ensure that the delivery to the student is of the highest level of performance by ourselves. And we make sure that the courses are interactive, innovative, interesting for young and busy minds. We're passionate about training and the development of people, and that's why we'd like to be able to train your students. We will always do our best to come up with a costing that works for you. And even if it doesn't work first time, I'm sure we can remodel something in order to come up with that costing. So thank you for listening. Please do make contact if there's anything that you'd like to consider Boost delivering for you in your school or college. Many thanks.